Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case I'm going to teach you how to fix this error that you're looking on the screen. It's pretty simple to solve, so let's begin. First we open settings, we go to general, and here we have to go to date and time and select 24-hour time. If it's disabled, we have to enable. So once we do that, we gotta make sure that this problem is not from Instagram. So we go to Google Chrome, we type in Instagram, and then we try to log in with our accounts here on Google Chrome. I'm not gonna do it, but you can try this, and just to make sure that this error is not from Instagram. So once we do that, if we still can't enter in our Instagram, what we have to do is to search on the App Store for a BPM. This is pretty simple. We just search BPM and we install any BPM that we like. It can be the first one, the second one, or the third one. So now we just wait to application to download. When it's ready, we just click allow, and in this application we just have to follow the steps, and then we have to turn on the VPN. It can be anywhere. Then we just log in on Instagram and it should be all working. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.